That is good looking. So this is going to go really well together, matching that shifter boot. We're going to put it right back in the same way. It should go in fairly easy. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name's Chris. Right behind me is the Fortune Taco. And today we have a package here from KC Upholstery, based out of San Diego, California. I already have something from them in my truck that I have not yet showed you guys, but I've been running for about a year and a half now, maybe. This is gonna pair up with it, and they go really nice together. I'm gonna try and make this a quick video here today. It's actually not bad. It's only 96 degrees today. It feels freaking awful, but we've been dealing with around like 110 for the past couple of weeks, so 96 is not too bad. Let's get inside the truck, get this thing out of its package, and I'll show you what we're doing. So, like I mentioned, what I already have from KC Upholstery is their shifter boot. So it replaces the factory leather boot, and then it also has some accent threads, which are red to match the shifter, and all the other red accents here in the truck. But what I've been holding off on, and what I should have got from the beginning, is their shift boot. Now, mine is obviously missing. Let's throw it back to when I took this thing out a couple weeks ago. I'm gonna take out the center console piece, get that thing taken out, and then we will ship this off to California so they can get this thing upgraded to a mesh boot versus the leather boot. Shipped it out to KC Upholstery. They redid it for me, and I got it back. It's time to just slap this thing in the truck and see how freaking good this thing looks. That is good looking. So this is gonna go really well together, matching that shifter boot. But just like I took this off in that clip a couple of weeks ago, we're gonna put it right back in the same way. It should go in fairly easy. So the reason I had to send this thing off is just because I didn't want to do it myself, and I felt like KC Upholstery would do a better job. You can kind of see the shape of it. There's a metal ring around the bottom of this that's sewn into this fabric. That metal ring fits into a groove along here, kind of just snaps in place. There's little clips all the way around. Once that pops in, really just slide this back on, pop everything together, and it's good to go. It's pretty simple. It's time to just get this thing put back on. So for the shifter portion, you can just fit the threaded stud up through the hole here. And then for the e-brake, we just need to slide this down over the e-brake until it meets up with the groove at the very bottom of this kind of leather handle here. So like I mentioned, not too hard to install, pretty simple. There's kind of just a waiting period of obviously shipping this off to get it done, but it is not hard at all to install. You just slide it in that groove, slip it over the shifter boot, and it's good to go. Before I had my YouTube channel, I installed this, so I did not get a chance to do a video install of this, but it's pretty much just as simple. You kind of disassemble the shifter boot here, and you would then ship this off to KC, because there is, I believe, a retaining clip or some type of plastic clip at the base of this that they have to reuse. So in the same case there, it's easier just to ship this whole thing off to them so they can get this put on for you and do a better job than you might be able to do yourself. I'm glad I finally have this matching set now. I think it goes really well, and it looks pretty damn good. with that interior kind of black and red theme. A really subtle kind of red tone though. For the most part, I have a blacked out interior. Let me know what you guys think. If you are interested in this, I will have a link down below to the KC Upholstery website where you can pick up yourself either a shifter boot, the e-brake boot, or you can get the set and get both of them in one shot like I should have did from the beginning. I just want to show you an awesome product that I've enjoyed. The quality is amazing. That shifter boot, like I said, it's about 1.5 to 2 years old. Not a single issue with it, and I love how good it looks. If you have any questions about these KC boots, anything for me, or anything about the truck in general, drop a comment down below. I try my best to respond to every comment on my video. If you're new here and you enjoyed this video, consider checking out my other videos and subscribing if you enjoy my content so you can see when I post future videos. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor, hit that like button. It helps these videos be more successful and get seen by more people just like you that might enjoy this video too. I appreciate you sticking around to the end. That's going to be it for this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.